Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how watch-only addresses function within Trust Wallet. It's important to understand that a watch-only address, by its very nature, does not contain or provide access to a private key within the wallet itself. Its sole purpose is to allow you to monitor the balance and transaction history of a specific cryptocurrency address without having control over the funds. This feature is designed for observation, not for spending. The private key associated with any cryptocurrency address is generated and stored by the wallet where that address was originally created. This is usually linked to a unique seed phrase, often 12 or 24 words long, which acts as the master key for all addresses within that original wallet. Trust Wallet, when importing a watch-only address, only receives the public address, not the underlying private key or seed phrase. To gain full control and spend funds from an address you are currently monitoring as watch-only, you must import the original wallet seed phrase or private key. This action should be performed by selecting the Import Wallet option, not by trying to extract a key from the watch-only entry. Once imported correctly, your wallet will have full spending authority over the associated cryptocurrency assets. Protecting your seed phrase and private keys is paramount for cryptocurrency security. These are the ultimate keys to your funds, and anyone possessing them can access and transfer your assets. Never share your seed phrase or private keys with anyone under any circumstances. Always verify the legitimacy of any request for this information and be aware of common phishing scams.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.